y'all, I haven't uploaded in like 3 years. Nah, but for real, I really didn't expect this channel to blow up like it did. I remember when I still had only 2 subscribers and 1,000 hate comments on Reddit. Nah, but really, I'm here to give y'all this review because I was in Walmart the other day and I was just looking at all the cereals I can't eat no more, you know, because of this keto life. And look what I found, guys. I found keto cereal. I was like super happy about this because I'm like a big fan of cereals like Cocoa Puffs, Apple Jacks, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, all that. So to see a keto cereal in Walmart, y'all know I was jumping all over it and I had to do a quick review for y'all. So as far as the calories, for the chocolate, it is 150 calories per serving, and for the peanut butter, it is 160 calories per serving. Pretty low, and the serving size is actually 1 cup of cereal. For both of those cereals, it is 3 grams of net carbs. The cereal is very sweet, very crunchy. It basically has everything that a real cereal would have. Now, I would compare like the cereal more so to Reese's Puffs. I would compare it to that because when it comes to like Cocoa Puffs, you know that chocolate coating is kind of syrupy, but when it comes to these, the chocolate and that peanut butter coating, guys. The coating on both of them are rather like powdery, kind of like a Reese's Puff cereal is. So that's immediately what this cereal reminded me of. They also had a cinnamon flavor. I have not picked that up yet, but as far as these two, like I said, they're pretty solid cereals. I wouldn't lie to y'all. Y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all. But y'all should definitely tell me what you thought of these cereals. I know I got about 4 boxes yesterday. Let me know if you guys want me to do some more reviews. Let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. The only downside to this cereal is the price. It comes in at about a whopping $7 per box. But you know, I kind of asked myself, I'm like, yeah, it's kind of expensive, but do you want to be fat? I might just fit it into the budget here and there. But yeah, I just had to slide in and give y'all the review. But I'm sure, you know, once more of y'all start doing keto, the prices on keto stuff will start dropping, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go get back to class and I will see y'all soon. Peace.